good morning. So welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is my morning routine. A lot of you actually requested me to make a video like this, so I am here. And my morning routine actually is very basic, nothing experimental or nothing fancy as such. I do experiment with a little few things here and there. Like मैं कुछ चीज़ें ऐड करती रहती हूँ, कुछ चीज़ सब्ट्रैक्ट करती रहती हूँ to find out what really works for me. Because morning का time ऐसा होता है that whatever you do it reflects on your day. एंड तुम्हारा दिन अगर पॉजिटिव नोट पे स्टार्ट हुआ हो तो इट्स द बेस्ट, बिकॉज आई मीन या इट्स द बेस्ट ऑलवेज. सो yeah, that's that. And I'm still trying to figure out a few things, but here's my morning routine like right now. Also, you guys should know that I'm not a morning person at all. I mean, I hate waking up early in the morning like 5-6 a.m. until unless I'm on a holiday and I have to go to some trek or watch the sunrise or something else. But otherwise I don't like waking up early and be all chirpy and happy and cheerful in the morning. Not me. So even like today also I woke up around 9:30, 9:45, which is like early for me. I did not want to get up, but I had to shoot this vlog, so I got up and things like that. Anyway, so the minute I wake up I spend like some time with myself. I don't use my phone. I'm trying actually कि सुबह सुबह फ़ोन ना यूज़ करूँ उठते, because it's not good for your brain, because it's like a lot of information उठते से ही, and it's really not good in the long run. So I'm really trying to do this, but थोड़ा कभी कभी फेल हो जाती हूँ. But anyway, it's a process. So उठते ही फ़ोन नहीं, खुद के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है. एंड उसके बाद मैं पानी पीती हूँ, एटलीस्ट 2 ग्लास पानी, बिकॉज इट्स रियली गुड. इट एनर्जाइजेज योर बॉडी एंड गेट्स यू रेडी फॉर द डे. And after that I just go on, brush my teeth and do my basic morning skincare. Very basic actually, nothing at all. And after that I just come to my room. I sit for some time and I try and make a to-do list, because it just helps me stay productive throughout the day. मुझे पता होता है exactly कि मेरा दिन कैसे जाने वाला है, and मुझे क्या क्या चीज़ें आज के आज ख़त्म करनी है. So that really helps with my productivity. So I'm trying this out. Let's see how it goes. I mean, I don't write it every single day, but I'm trying to write it on most days. And apart from that I do write about things that I'm grateful for, and positive thoughts and affirmations and things like that, because it's a great way to start your day on a positive note, right? So that's why I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I have this little diary gifted by my best friend. So I'm gonna write a few things in here. Okay, so I'm done with my to-do list now. So what I have written is I have to shoot the vlog, which I'm doing right now. Then I have to edit one of my mom's videos. Then I have to post on Instagram, and I have to work on a few ideas for Instagram in the coming weeks. So that's that. And I think मैं इतना ही लिखूँगी, because I think इतना ही possible है for me to do today, like finish it by today. So इससे ज़्यादा नहीं लिखूँगी. So now we'll go and make my cold coffee, because that's something that I'm like drinking from last 2 weeks and I'm loving it. So yeah, let's make it. And उसके साथ कुछ खाते भी हैं, तो देखते हैं क्या बना है. Yeah. Okay, so we are in the kitchen and मेरी कॉफ़ी बना रही हूँ, cold coffee. Some water to my coffee and sugar, a little bit. Stir it. Okay, so I'm here with some dry fruits in my hand and this cold coffee. एंड आज मैं यही खाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी वेरी लेट एंड मैं डायरेक्टली शायद लंच करूँगी. बट यूजुअली ब्रेकफास्ट में मॉम ऐसे स्मूदी बनाती है, फ्रूट्स एंड मिल्क एंड ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड पीनट बटर एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. So I love that, and I like sweet kind of breakfasts like pancakes and things like that. Overnight oats is one of my like ultimate favorites. I really like it. बहुत दिनों से बनाया नहीं है, बनाएंगे. So yes, that's that. And coffee तो कुछ दिनों पहले ही शुरू की है and I am loving it. So yeah. So I changed into my workout clothes now after the breakfast. I spent like half an hour with the family and just talking to them and scrolling through my Instagram and replying to comments and everything. So that's that, and now it's time for workout. So we'll do, yes. Okay, so the thing with workout is लास्ट एक महीने से आई हैव बीन टोटली ऑफ. मैंने नहीं किया वर्कआउट बिकॉज आई फेल सिक इन मार्च एंड आफ्टर दैट आई जस्ट डिडंट फील लाइक गोइंग बैक टू इट बिकॉज माई बॉडी वॉज नॉट फीलिंग रेडी फॉर इट. बट लास्ट एक हफ्ते से आई हैव बीन फीलिंग गिल्टी ऑफ नॉट वर्किंग आउट एवरी डे. सो आई स्टार्ट इट अगेन, बट ऐसे बहुत ब्रेक्स के साथ में हो रहा था. एंड लास्ट 2 दिन से अगेन मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया बिकॉज आई डिडंट फील लाइक इट. सो अभी के लिए डिसिप्लिन काफ़ी ख़राब हो गया है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वर्कआउट, बट आई एम होपिंग दैट आई विल गेट देयर. आई फील दैट इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लॉकडाउन में when you have no physical activity as such to work out and to keep yourself keep yourself like energized and active and all of those things. So it really helps. You all know my workout routine. I just do the same thing. If you don't know, then watch my previous A Day in My Life vlog. You'll know that what kind of workout do I do, and it's very very simple. So yeah.
20 minutes later.
So anyway, I'm done with the workout now. आज इतना अच्छा नहीं था honestly. It was very lousy and I did not enjoy it as much. Maybe probably because last 2-3 दिन से नहीं किया है and I was just not feeling it. So मैंने थोड़ा बहुत किया इधर उधर, but I did not do it like properly. But कोई नहीं, कल another opportunity, another day, I'll try again. And it was such a failed day for me with respect to workout, but ठीक है. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go and take a shower and yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, so I'm here now. I took a shower and now I am getting back to work. Yeah, I have to complete the to-do list that I made today, so I think I'm gonna edit now. And that's it. I mean, that's all for my morning routine. It usually takes me like a couple of hours to get here and just start working. So it was quite basic, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down and tell me if you're a morning person or not, because I would love to know. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram because you should. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.